very angry, furious, very bad, awful, very busy, swamped, very cold, freezing, very colorful, vibrant, very confused, perplexed, very dangerous, perilous, very dry, parched, very easy, effortless, very expensive, costly, very fast, swift, very funny, hilarious, very good, excellent, very happy, ecstatic, very hard, challenging, very hungry, starving, very interesting, fascinating, very long, extensive, very old, ancient, very poor, destitute, very pretty, gorgeous, very slow, sluggish, very small, tiny, very strong, powerful, very tasty, delicious. FAQ, frequently asked questions, BBQ, barbecue, PDF, portable document format, PhD, Doctor of Philosophy, CEO, Chief Executive Officer, ATM, Automated Teller Machine, DIY, Do-It-Yourself, ETA, Estimated Time of Arrival, FYI, for your information, GPS, Global Positioning System, ID, Identification, IT, Information Technology, SIM, Subscriber Identity Module, SMS, Short Message Service, URL, Uniform Resource Locator, USB, Universal Serial Bus, Wi-Fi, Wireless Fidelity. Have a drink, have a bath, have a good time, have a rest, have lunch. Take a break, take a look, take an exam, take a seat, take a chance. Do your homework, do nothing, do the cooking, do the dishes, do your hair. Make a decision, make a mess, make an effort, make the bed, make money. Go home, go bankrupt, go crazy, go shopping, go abroad. Come to a decision, come to an end, come close, come early, come last. Get pregnant, get lost, get ready, get started, get a job. Let me know, let me think, let me help you, let me go, let me see. Keep in touch, keep a secret, keep the change, keep quiet, keep in mind.